Okay, this is a recording of the storyboarding exercise I did for the week 3 assignment, and I'm using a note-taking application on my iPad called Nebo that actually was pretty nice for this purpose. I'm working on a botanical garden application, and I ended up with 2 versions of kind of the splash screen, entry screen, and 4 versions of a second screen, a detailed plant screen. And I'll show you the flow that I settled on. So here's the splash screen, which has a logo, and you can either scan a QR code in the garden itself, or you can take a virtual tour. And I'll say actually this question is no longer relevant because I came up, as I iterated through what happens when you either scan a QR code or start the virtual tour. You go to this detail screen, and you can see here that when you've done that, you get a 3D model of the plant in question, and this is a 3D model that you can rotate or zoom in on using standard finger gestures. On the top, you have 3 icons, 3 buttons. The top left one will play audio of some basic facts about this plant. The AR button will allow you to place this model in an AR view. So whether you're in the garden or at home, you could actually place this on a surface and look at it. And the upper right button allows you to take a screenshot of this as well. So you can imagine if you're in the garden, you could actually have the 3D model next to what the plant currently looks like. Down at the bottom, we have actually some left and right buttons that allow you to go to previous and next plants. And then you have more information here in this display with the plant name, its scientific name. The little green icon there will allow you to go to a map of the garden showing you where you are or where the plant is in the garden. And the information icon will bring you another display with more information, and there's probably just a lot more navigation that could be designed here to show you, tell you about the original collector, the morphology of this plant, life cycle, species interactions, what's happening beneath the ground, etc.